Greetings and good morning, you all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Renee Rowena and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn those post notifications on so you'll be notified each time I post. Shout out to my Jamaican people, shout out to Caribbean people, and shout out to the rest of the world. I appreciate each and every one of you who watch my videos. That being said, let's get into this video. So today I want to talk about some funny words we Jamaican use on a daily basis. Licky licky, nyami nyami, gluttonous. So these words we use when somebody eats a lot. You know, people that constantly eat like around the clock. Boy, you licky licky. The boy Richard licky licky, you see? Oh, you so licky licky. Boy, I don't know him so nyami nyami. Jesus, make you so gluttonous. So when a person is being, you know, inquisitive, we'll use some funny words. Oh, you so ups. Boy, you're just inner. Oh, you so inner. She not fee? Oh, she's so enough. Boy, you're fast. Why you so fast? You fasty? Have you guys ever heard the term roll on? I'm sure if you're Jamaican or Caribbean, you should know this one. Roll on. What about deodorant? Everybody know deodorant. I'm sure you all know deodorant. I'm sure you guys didn't know that in Jamaica we call deodorant roll on. Yes, we do. So us Jamaicans, we are the best when it comes to emphasis and, you know, expression and stuff like that. When a person talks too much, instead of saying zip it or like talk too much, we would say keep by your mouth. You chatty bruh. It's a chatty labba mouth. The boy Eliza just labba mouth. You know, you're nyami. Boy, you're nyami. You're too nyami. I say nyami. In Jamaica we say nyam for eat. Boy, you can't nyami. Why you nyam so much? Backside. So when we get exciting news or we're curious about something or, you know, just shocked, we will use words like alayatil. You're so nice. Blouse and skirt. So what? Kiss me neck back. Haka fart. Alayatil. But see ya. Box cover. Yes. Kiss me neck back. You know, sometimes you want to tell somebody to just move and leave you alone. Normally we will say get away from here. In Jamaica, go from here, so move from here, so man. Another funny word we Jamaican use is crosses. You come like crosses in my life. What kind of crosses me take up in my life though, Jesus? You're nothing but crosses. Whatless. Jesus. I saw whatless. We use the word whatless when somebody, he wants nothing for himself, you know, no ambition. He whatless, see? Boy, me I tell him, Mr. Brown, boy, whatless. Gansy. Go put on your Gansy. That Gansy nice though, wait it. I haven't heard this one in such a long time, but when I was smaller, I used to hear it a lot. Go put on your Gansy. I think it refers to both male and female. I know for a female top, we will say blouse. Your blouse nicey? Where you get that blouse there? This body? So we use emphasis on the word bad, not saying that something is actually bad. So we'll use it to celebrate something or just to give credit to something. Yo, the tune bad. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.